Namaste. One of the students asked me that, sir, how can maintain my happiness all the time? Yes, it's the fine question. I think this question is raised for you also and many people. So I'm telling you the secrets of happiness. First thing, let us know about one small story. One of the housewife went to Buddha and asked him, Lord, I want to be happy all the time. What should I do? Lord Buddha replied, just remove I, then you'll be happy forever. What it mean? Just stop thinking of I much. 10-20% will be okay, but thinking of I will become problems for the life. In the sense, I want that, I want this, I want to be respected, my wife like this, I wanted to be respect my husband like this, I wanted to be respect by my children like this, I wanted to be respect by that person like this. Stop thinking of I. And keep that Saran I with the feet of God. Husband went too far. Just give call to him. Ask his welfare. How are you? Have you had your breakfast? That to pick up the relationship. And that gives happiness. Somebody will say that why I want to call him. Let him call. He also says that then mild crack will take place in the relationship. Should not happen. Many of the sisters, brothers, many relationship has got cut because of the ego. I just keep in the feet of God, then he'll be happy. That's the meaning of that Lord Buddha statement. And next thing is that we should learn to think of the things what you have, not lack in life. Person will be unhappy all the time who is thinking lack in life. It should not happen. Just say, I am blessed. Then he'll be happy forever. And next thing is that you should learn to taste the words before you submit. There is a statement, you should be aware of your thoughts when you are alone. You should be aware of your words when you are with others. So you should learn to taste the words. You should not provoke anybody. Then they'll provoke you. That will become biggest problem in the life, biggest reason for your unhappiness. And next thing is that you should practice yoga daily. That's going to observe, especially meditation. It's going to observe each and every corner of your life. And it keeps you healthy all the time. Then you'll be happy all the time. Because you are going to train up your mind. It's going to make awake when it's required. Suppose you got angry, you get a inner guidance. Hey, you are getting anger. Anger is like an earthquake. It's going to spoil the life. Then it'll become okay. Why I want to get anger? For mistake of others, why I want to give punishment to myself? He'll become normal. This is the things what's going to happen after practicing meditation. And next thing is that you should learn to sleep for 6 hours a day. That relaxes the cells of the brain. That maintains the calmness. Then you'll be with the awake stage with your activity. You'll be happy all the time. And next thing is that you should learn to say all is well for everything. Even with the difficulties also, you should learn to say all is well. God has given that kind of difficulties to you to make you strong, not a problematic person. So learn to say all is well. Somebody is dead, yes, it has got place according to the law of the nature, not because of anything. So learn to pray peace for that soul, then participate in the activity, then mingle with your activities. And next thing is that always you should learn to say I am blessed, I am blessed. That should become mantra of you. Then you will be blessed, you will become blessed. Then no one can steal your happiness. Richest person in the world, the person who is minimized his needs. Person is very poor person with having all facilities, who is asking for other things all the time. So we should not become poor. Stop asking for that, this and all the time. Be rich yourself. You will be happy all the time. And next thing is that you should not allow others to steal your happiness. You will not allow anybody to steal your house, is not it? Similarly, you should not allow other worlds to steal your happiness. Their nature is theirs. Let it be outside only. You should not bring that into your mind, and should not make yourself unhappy. Okay. These are all the things to be educate ourselves to maintain happiness, and follow all this and be happy all the time. Happy time.